5 Sportcity is a leather motorcycle glove made for moderate temperatures. The glove is well made and carefully stitched. Look at the cut and stitches. You can hardly find any problems with the fit and finish of this pair. The greatest thing about this glove is the comfort and ergonomics of it. You don't feel any pointed areas on your skin when you're wearing the gloves. You can also easily bend your wrist without any problems. After wearing it a few times, it takes the shape of your hand and it becomes very comfortable to wear. It has a snap button fastener that's sturdy and durable. The glove also works with phone screens and you don't have to take off your glove to work with your phone. The protective areas are also designed well. The only small issue with the glove is that the protective areas are a bit too big. These areas could be designed subtler to stick out less. But other than that, it's a near perfect pair of gloves for regular motorcycle riders in moderate temperatures. I've been using it for 3 years and it's just like it's day one. So based on these reasons, I strongly recommend the 5 Sportcity for motorcycling or even bicycling. 5 is a French company and this pair of gloves is made in France.